Hi, this is Cherie with Rehash Fiber. Today I want to tell you about a project that's coming together. In the fall, I purchased my first fleece and learned all about the process of cleaning and preparing it. Then I dyed it, spun it, and here is some of it right here. I had ordered some Dorset horn wool and it ended up coming out a little bit thick and a little bit ropey. I still had a blast taking care of it and dyeing it and doing everything, and I just kind of set it aside and knew that someday it would work out somewhere. It's kind of like puzzle pieces. And that happened. Every morning over a cup of coffee, I go through Instagram and check out the fiber world. And I found this really cool Lola Market Bag by Deni of DeniMade. Looked at this, checked it out, thought, aha, I can make a bag from all my wool. So that's what I've been working on. And there's another aspect to it. To join all these colors would make me crazy if I had a bunch of loose ends. But also on Instagram, I learned quite a few months ago about felting the ends together. So you take one end, the other end, and you join them together. I kind of give them a little twist. I ordered this all from Amazon, of course. Kind of twist the ends together like so, and then you start running the needle through it. Do that a bunch of times. Flip it over, do it some more. You just keep doing it until your fiber sticks together very strongly as if it were one piece. Then you can just keep on crocheting or knitting. I did this in a different project. I came to the middle of a row and found there was a knot, like two ends tied together in the yarn. I'm like, what the heck, man? I didn't want to undo the row. So, cut out the knot, grabbed this, felted it together, off I went. You can't even tell. Fabulous. All right, look at this. Pulling it hard, two ends stuck together. It's the best. All right, so we're taking all this multicolor. Some of it's regular wool, merino. A lot of this chunky is the Dorset horn. I am just making this lovely bag, mixing the colors to where I think they'll look nice, but I like it all mixed up. A couple days later, my Lola Market Bag is complete. It ended up being a whole lot of fun. It started out, I was making this as a gift for somebody else, but as I was going along, I realized this bag has a lot of special history for me. It is made from the first fleece I ever purchased, the first fiber that I ever dyed, and as it was going along, I thought this is kind of my beginner's journey and all of that, and I cannot pass it on. So it is gonna be mine, and I can enjoy it all. And I feel like it's a really good use of some of the wool that was really a little bit rough, and I could have never used it next to the skin, but look how fun it is here. This is gonna be a great bag for whatever fun stuff I want. So there you go, there is the Lola Market Bag. I do want to tell you that I had to make some modifications to the pattern just because my yarn was so much thicker than what the pattern called for, that I did not end up doing an additional section that was in the pattern. And I had to make these a little bit thicker because the bag is so heavy from the wool. But there you have it. It is a very worthwhile pattern to get, the Lola Market Bag by DeniMade. Really fun, easy, goes quickly, and then you have something great to use or pass on as a gift. All right, everybody, thanks for watching.